Damn, bruh. No cap, I'm running low on money. Maybe I should try robbing a nigga to get some. Could try to use this brand new Nerf gun I bought. Yeah, that'll work. Looks like that's my prey right there.
Perfect. Hey, nigga, run your pocket.
Ah, shit. Not again, man. This is like the 5th time this week. Oh, fuck.
Bro, what is you waiting for? Give me your money, nigga. Nigga, is that a Nerf gun? Yeah. Bro, who the fuck robs a nigga with a Wait, Devon, nigga, is that you? No. Yes, it is, nigga. Don't lie to me. I can recognize your nappy ass hair from a mile away. Shut up, bitch. My hair ain't nappy, it's coily. Nah, nigga, that shit nappy. Coily, nappy. Coily, nappy. Coily, nappy. Nigga, if you don't shut your... How you like that, bitch ass nigga? I'm not dealing with this. Damn, bruh. This nigga really walking away from me. Is there anything I could do to rob his bitch ass? Wait a minute. Yeah. Ha! Bet you didn't think I pistol whip your bitch ass. Give me your shit, nigga. See what the fuck you got. Fuck. $3? The fuck is that? Oh, actually, give me this shit. Use this shit for gas. Bitch.